Okay, so on the bench of late, I've had a couple of UHF radios. This one, the Uniden UH-100, and also one that almost looks identical, the Uniden UH-100. Both of them not working. Both had issues with the finals and the output power transistors. And we've got this one fired up, working nicely now. I've got it connected up there to the don't worry about the blinking, it's definitely not blinking my Marconi, it's just to do with the videoing. But I've got it connect up for a transmit test, and we'll just punch that in there, and we're getting 4.7 watts out of that. These are a 5-watt machine, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so this time on the receive test, we're pumping out there, minus 70 dBm receiver. You can hear it coming in nice and clear there. Just showing busy. It's coming in beautiful. If I throw that across to the spectrum analyzer, and we're all set up there, we hit out, you can see that punching out nicely. Okay. All right, pretty happy with that one. And these two are going to my son's business. He needs to put them in his trucks.